Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello there, how's everyone doing? It's time for another edition of Practical Hakka.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And for this particular segment, we're going to give you a story about something that's coming up real soon. 我们呢，每个月呢也会挑一些这个新闻的报道的一些主题呢，来介绍一些客家的文化。但是当然，我们也要请 Alice 来介绍一些生字了，对不对？听说农历7月20号呢，就是客家人这个12大节庆中的一个很有名的节庆——
义民节。
义民节。Okay, let's hear the news story first.
Every year on the 20th day of the 7th lunar month, the Hakka people celebrate Iminche. It's usually celebrated in tandem with Ghost Festival. Participants will offer food to honor their ancestors and float lanterns in the water to summon the lonely souls of those who died by drowning.
So there you go. That's about the Yiming Festival. 其实义民节啊，不只是12大节庆，我觉得它是12大里面的可能3大嘞。
哦，你是说排名前3名就对了。
对，非常重要的哦。So Alice agrees. This is not only one of the top 12 events or festivals in the Hakka culture, but probably the top 3. A very important festival that you should not miss. And it falls on the lunar calendar, the 7th month, the 20th day, which happens to be on our calendar, August 26th. So that's coming up real soon. Maybe you can go check it out. So let's teach you some of these phrases here, okay? The Yiming Festival, 义民节.
义民节.
义民节. That's the Yiming Festival. And of course, we're praying to a god known as 义民爷. Okay, Ye actually is grandpa. It's actually a term that associates him with God. Okay, so 义民爷.
义民呀.
义民呀. Okay, 呀其实是爷爷 grandpa， 但是呢，他是我们的义民神了哈，义民爷，
义民呀，
义民呀。And finally, this is all about the Bye Bye Festival. We call it Bye Bye. Basically, we're praying to the gods. Okay, so we call it 普渡。普渡可以用客语讲吗？
可以啊，
可以是不是？
很接近。
真的吗？
普渡。
哎，普渡。Okay, that's how you say a Bye Bye Festival or 普渡 in Hakka.
普渡。普渡
Okay, let's review these terms. 义民节, the Yiming Festival.
义民节
义民节 And then the 义民 God. 义民爷.
义民呀
义民呀 And finally, the Bye Bye Festival is 普渡
普渡
And there you go, learning a little bit more about the culture, and hopefully you can visit this festival when it comes about. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.